Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we are getting our lives together. We are getting organized. So as you can see, I have let my closet fall by the wayside a little bit. I mean, it's not too crazy, but a little bit. So y'all can see my perfume bottles are everywhere. My purse shelf is unorganized. I have a shoe box for my sandals that is really just been falling apart and the shoes are running over. So we want to get that together. I got clothes on the floor, everything, y'all. Life has just been lifing and I have not kept this up like I wanted to, but we're going to get it together today. So it's all good. And I'm going to show you guys everything that I use. And then maybe you'll see something that can help you out as well. So let's get right into it. So the first area we're going to tackle is the little seating area here. So I thought it would be really useful for me to have a little table where I can charge my phone, keep my books, or even my cup when I'm in here. I sit down and I fold clothes here. I watch television in here. So I just thought that would be really helpful and a way for me to get some of the stuff off the center island. So let's put together the table that I found. So this is how it turned out. It fit in this area perfect. If you're looking for a small, slim side table, this is it. And I love the fact that it comes with an outlet and a USB charging port for your phone. So the next area I tackled was my perfume area. As you can see, I have outgrown this little tray that I have, but I got all of that out the way. And then I came in with these acrylic tiered stands. These are perfect for display. That way every bottle can be shown and displayed perfectly. I was just trying to figure out the best configuration to set these on my island, and I went with this. And then I'm just going to set all the perfumes up and display them nice and neat. So we're going to take a quick pause and highlight the sponsor of today's video, Homery. At Homery, their mission is to be your magazine life enabler for every budget. Their pieces will elevate your home aesthetic, all while giving it that lifestyle magazine look. You can upgrade your home with their wide variety of home furnishings, ranging from living room furniture to outdoor essentials and even bath faucets. Homery is your one-stop shop for quality home furnishings. So I was in need of some additional seating here in my dressing room. I spend a lot of time in here, so my family hangs out in here as well. So I was looking for additional seating for them. So I was on the hunt for a bench, and I came across this modern stainless steel bench on Homery's website, and I just had to have it. First impressions, it looked gorgeous. And then when I read the description and saw that the fabric was made of waterproof and wear-resistant fabric, I just knew it would fit perfectly. And then the gold finish frame matched my aesthetic in here to the T. So I was impressed as soon as I saw it on their website, but when I got it in person, y'all just watch. Oh my God, y'all, look how gorgeous. Let me get all the wrapping off and then, oh my God, this thing is so nice. Okay. Y'all, look at her. Oh my God. I absolutely love this. This bench is beautiful. It goes perfect with the aesthetic already here in my dressing room. Oh my God, I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. And it's going to be perfect. So I'm going to sit it over here alongside the mirror. Let me put it over there and then let's see how it looks. Oh my God. And I will move these to a different location as well. Y'all, how perfect. How perfect is that? Love it. So yeah, I think that's perfect right there. Now I feel like I need to do something with the wall. I don't know, maybe I'll find like a decor piece or something to go up there, but I got to do something. But yeah, this is perfect. So now I just wanted some additional seating because when you come in here, and my little chair is over there that I sit in all the time, and sometimes Antonio is in here, my son is in here, because I'm in here a lot if I'm folding, cleaning, or whatever, because it's, you know, it's kind of a good sized room, so sometimes it may take a while to clean, and they just may be in here talking to me or whatever. And now they have a place to sit, and it's so nice, and it matches perfectly with the mirror. I'm in love. Thank you, Homery. This is beyond what I expected. It's so good. It's so good. So, and just check the description box. I'll have a link to their website, and then I'll also have a code for you guys for 15% off. So check them out. All right, so next we're going to tackle this shoe situation. So I have this old bin that I just had some of my sandals in and some of my older tennis shoes. And y'all can see the bin is falling apart. It has been past time for me to take care of this. But I found this box that holds 16 pair of shoes. And all you do is just open it up and then just pop the compartments into place. And now we are going to organize these shoes and have it looking so much better than what we did before. All right, so the next step was really simple and easy. I just wanted to hide this cord from the TV. The cord just hanging there just really looks undone and just unorganized. So I found this TV cable cover. It is adhesive. All you do is just open it up and put the cord on the inside and then stick it to the wall. It is really that simple. I also like this because you are able to cut it the size that you need. So you'll see that my outlet kind of was blocking the way, but I just trimmed it up with a saw, and then I just went ahead and stuck it on the wall, and it was perfect. And then it also still allows your cord to move back and forth, so my TV is able to swivel, and all the cord does is just slide in and out of the slot there. And it still works really great. So, and that just looks much more cleaner than having the black cord just hanging and kind of loose against the wall. All right, y'all. So I have tons of workout gear and leggings and things, and I saw these, found them on Amazon, and these are like legging hangers. 15 on one hanger, and then the set actually comes in a set of 2, so you're talking like 30 pieces of gym clothes, which is perfect because I got a lot. But yeah, let me show y'all how these work, and I think this would be so good because I do have these little drawers here on the side of my island, but they're mostly like undergarments and stuff like that, and kind of like t-shirts or whatever, and my gym clothes was taking up a lot of space. but being able to fit so many on one hanger is really going to organize it a lot. So I was excited when I found these. I'm really too excited about this. I don't know when organizing stuff made me this excited. Well, I mean, I like to make over stuff, but just having everything in its own place, it just brings me like peace. For real. And I'm excited about it. My mama used to say that to us when we was little all the time. Everything has its place. I guess that's where I get it from. Because everything has its place. Look how nice and neat this is. So what I like about it is it swivels. The head swivels, the side swivels, all of that. I like the fact that it swivels because if I'm trying to choose, I can just kind of spin it around and then see all of my workout gear that I want to choose from for the day. So I think this is pretty cool. And then, I mean, look how much space you save. I think I got one more area to organize, and then this closet will be together. Okay, together. So last area on this organization journey is my purse shelf. I bought these. They're really pretty. They match everything else in here. I think I got another one up there. Just so they can kind of stand up a little bit and be seen. Some of them that are in the back. All right, y'all, that is it. We got it all done. I'm so proud of myself. This was on my gotta get it done today list, and I got it done. So we got the little stand over here by my little chair area. We got that cord hidden. That just looks, oh, that looks so much better. I know it. We got the perfume organized. We have a beautiful sitting area right here. This thing is gorgeous. We got the purses all organized, and then we got all of our sandals and flip-flops organized, and then we also got everything off the floor. This little clothes hamper, I don't know if I showed that to y'all, but yeah, I got that too from Amazon. I love this too because it is it's two-sided. There's bags on each side, so you're able to remove them to easily take them to the laundry without having to take the whole basket. So yeah, y'all, we got it organized. I am so much happier. I don't know, organization just does it for me. So that's it for now. I do think I'm going to add something there. What y'all think? Yeah, I need something there. Actually, I think I'm going to look on Homery. So shout out again to Homery for sending me this beautiful bench. I love it. It is perfect here. Yeah, so I'm going to go on their website and see if they have a piece of metal wall art that would go really nice there. I think that'll look really good. And that's it. So thank y'all so much. I will see y'all on the next video. And remember, if you're looking for anything decor wise, go on Homery, and I have that 15% off code for you guys. So I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.